Our fourth construction is going to be to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment. Again, don't forget to write that on the top of your paper. Tools you will be utilizing: the ruler or straight edge, a protractor, and a compass. Okay? In order to construct the perpendicular bisector of a segment, we have to start with a segment. So I am going to just draw a segment. It can be in any direction you like. It can be of any length you like. I'm going to give myself 2 endpoints, and I'm going to label these A and B. Now, in order to create a perpendicular bisector using my compass, I'm going to put my compass down on vertex A, and I'm going to make a large swipe. I'm going to do the same thing from vertex B. Now, this time, when you open or close your compass, you need to move it so it's more than halfway across. I don't know exactly where halfway is because I didn't measure. I'm just going to make sure it's more than halfway. I'm going to use the interior hole this time, and I'm going to make a swipe to the up and down. So all the way up top and all the way down. I'm now going to move my compass to the other side, placing it on vertex B, and I'm going to do the exact same thing without moving my measurements, up and down. I'm now going to label these 2 intersection points as D and E, and I'm going to use my straight edge to connect the 2 points. I'm going to add arrows to the end to signify that it's a line. And I'm going to label the intersection at the center as C. Now, a perpendicular bisector does 2 things. 1, it created right angles here at the center of the diagram. And 2, it cut the original segment into 2 congruent parts. So, this section over here on the left and on the right is going to get 1 tick mark. I'm going to put a right angle symbol here at vertex C. And now I'm going to write my congruent statements. I should have AC being congruent to CB. I also should have DE, which is a line, being perpendicular to my upside down capital T symbol with segment AB. Notice the symbols. Now I'm going to use my protractor and my ruler to confirm my measurement. Using my ruler, I'm going to measure the distance from A to C, and I can see that that is 5.7 centimeters. When I measure the other side, I again get 5.7 centimeters. Now yours won't be the same as mine, but those 2 pieces should be the same size. And last but not least, I'm going to verify that this is indeed a right angle. If I line everything up exactly, I can see that it is exactly 90 degrees, so I'm going to label it as such. And there is number 4.